So today is Tuesday and we are literally in the midst of a hurricane. It's coming this way, and while I was just like, all of my videos from yesterday was done on my phone, I'm having some issues with getting all of my storage transferred over, so I'm just gonna vlog from here. But I am right now, you know, just trying to wait out this storm. I'm not really sure where this hurricane is going to turn yet. So we were able to get some sandbags to cover like the doors in this particular space. The last time we had a tropical storm, there was some water coming into the house, and it kind of freaked me out a little bit. So the boys went yesterday to fill some sandbags, and so what I'm gonna do right now, because it looks like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna run outside with my oldest and we are going to kind of pack those sandbags down just to make sure that don't no water come in through the garage, through this door right here, the front door. And I think as far as the door in the kitchen, it's okay because it's like up on a step, so I don't have to worry about putting in any sandbags there. But once we are done doing that, I'm gonna come back and I want to show y'all my planner. If you've been following me on TikTok or Facebook, then you know I in a couple of days on September 1st, I'm starting a whole new planner system. I've already planned out all of my meals for the month of September, and I'm just excited. I am going to probably end up doing a separate video, so it might be the video after this one, talking about how I'm going to be goal setting, all of my goals, all of my habit trackers, tracking, meal planning, memory keeping for my family, journaling, Bible study. It's all going to be in one place now. I'm so forever thankful and grateful for that, because Lord knows, having 5 or 6 different journals for different, you know, spread out. I still have journals, but I've decided to do something else with those. But you know, I just am kind of, I feel a little relaxed. I want to take y'all outside to kind of show y'all what it's looking like outside right now. Well, the rain has already started, so it beat us. I don't know if y'all can hear the thunder, but it's my son. He's so funny. I guess we're gonna have to go back in the house for now. Huh? No, if you want to, yeah, I don't care. So yeah, so see, the rain has started, and you know, with me having my locks, I can't get my hair wet yet. Can't get my hair wet, so I'm going back in the house. And it was so beautiful earlier today. The sun was out, the clouds were out, and I'm thinking, oh, you know, it's gonna be good today. And literally about 20 minutes ago, the clouds just came in, the sun is gone. It looks like it's almost dark outside, and you can hear like the thundering. You can hear Zoran too. He's like in there yelling. You can like hear the thunder a little bit. The leaves are kind of going back and forth as well. All right, so we are officially in a hurricane, and so I expect our power to be out at any moment. Just gonna turn everything off now. I just got an update from our community group on Facebook that everyone's power is going out one by one, so I truly expect ours to be going out in less than an hour from now. Turning off all the lights, trying to keep it cool in here. So from this side of the house, everything looks like it's just rain. But on the back side of the house, it looks very windy and unpromising. So it just looks like rain. We have big trees around our house, and that's my prayer. We can take not having, you know, electricity for a while, but my prayer is that we don't get any trees falling on us. Husband made it home last night. What are you doing, Zoran? Zoran is ready to make a mess.
No.
No, that's what you're doing.
Wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night. Be a hope for the world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah.
So we are 2 days out from the hurricane, and it has been a week. My intentions was to vlog the whole week, but with school being out, we're literally running to make sure we have everything we need for this hurricane. So let me just tell you guys how good God is. So this is my prayer journal, right? So I want to read something to you. The morning that the hurricane was supposed to hit, I wrote, to the Lord, asking him to protect us. My home is surrounded by trees, and you know, with kids, you as an adult, you can kind of go through you know, things. You can go through things, but you know, your kids, you're like, how do you go through these things with your children who may, like my daughter, you know, or my youngest, who may need to, like, you know, we're potty training, or my daughter is not the type of child that could like hold herself, because you know, when the electric goes out, you only have a few times where you can you know, flush the toilet. And so, you know, little things like that, as a mom, starts to, like, you know, I'm like, Lord, you know. So I just began to pray. I began to speak out, and I started writing what I was thinking and feeling in my heart. And I just asked the Lord that he protect our home, that we not have any trees fall on our home. But the number one thing was that we not go without power. So there are moments where you feel like, okay, do you ever have those moments where you feel like it's all or nothing? Like, there's situations you can't really control, and the only thing you can do is just give it to the Lord. And that's what I did in that moment. About 5 minutes after that, I closed my book, I sealed it. I sealed my prayer in my journal, and I closed my book, and I literally, the lights began to flicker, and I was just like, whew, because I'm sitting like right here in this spot, and I'm looking at the lamp, and the lamp light is just flickering, and I'm like, Lord, I'm sorry, my husband's coming through the gate, and I'm like, Lord, this is a test for me, because sometimes we don't go to God and ask God for wisdom ever. Sometimes our first nature is to fix the problem before going to God, and in this particular instance I was like, there's nothing I can do but go to the Lord. My daughter was nervous, my husband was nervous, I could tell just by the way he was pacing throughout the house. And then I recorded a video showing outside. I posted on TikTok maybe an hour after that, because I had just prayed. And an hour after that, maybe an hour and a half after that, it stopped raining. The wind stopped. And I'm just sitting there because I'm waiting for the power to go out. And this may be something very small, but being that I was born and raised in Florida, we've gone through a lot of hurricanes, and I just began to praise and thank the Lord in that moment, because I was like, wow, we didn't go without power. Now, mind you, we're in a community group, and there's so many other people within the city who have no power. Even today is 2 days out, still no power. And when I tell you guys the power of taking 5 minutes to walk through your home and pray, where everybody else around you is going without power or is being hit by something, the importance of prayer in your home. Each week I go throughout my house and I pray over my home, my family, the places where people can go in and out. Sorry, my camera just stopped, and I don't even know where I left off, so I don't know where it stopped. So I'm in the midst of editing this. Y'all just bear with me. So I pick a place and I'll pray in the yard, the backyard, the front porch. I'll come in the house. I'll go throughout the rooms. Everywhere. I'll pray everywhere. So today, Zuri's already at school, and I'm getting ready to start my grocery shopping. Meal planning is completely done for the whole month of September, but right now I have to write my morning pages because there's a lot on my heart and I need to get it out. I'm good. How are you? It's cold. I need some more. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, I don't know whose it is.
Oh, I told you those still set.
No.
I said I had to get those still sets.
Ooh. We're gonna have dinner again tonight?
Yes, we have.
I love you.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open
you?
Do they bill us or?
It'll say at the end of the job. It usually doesn't say at the beginning, but
Okay.
But yeah, I'm just moving out of the way for y'all.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I got one more camera to get up, and I'm just waiting for it to load up. And
Okay.
that'll be it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm going to her.
Find this phone. Find this phone.
Hold on, now, man.
Wait. Wait. What's that? It's
I need to go through the car wash.
No, Mom.
No.
No.
So when we gonna stop buying these trainers?
Hello. Miss Adrian said he lost his other. He lost it. So he's just gonna buy some new ones.
Y'all have a great one.
You too.
I want him to finish high school with some certifications and maybe halfway through. Because he needs to be independent, so he got to finish high school.
Really do. And I can't. So here's the month of bath tissue and paper towels. I have to get 2 of these each because it will last us the whole month. Because I don't be having time to be going back and going to the store. So we just grabbed a few items from the grocery store just so the kids could have like some lunch. Until I could actually get the rest of my grocery shopping done, which is going to be finished today. So Sam's Club got this. I restocked on this. I got some bar soap. Definitely needed this month. Some alcohol. I got 2 of these. I didn't even realize it. And I got some more of these. I never want to run out. And y'all, if you're into like Tide and you know all the things, y'all just go to Sam's Club. In each box.
Why would you just sneeze on my shoulder?
He's the one.
Bring me that.